That was created with WAN 2.2 using a 4-step LoRa. You can see the camera dynamics are strong and the prompt adherence. So accurate, it feels like the original model without the distilled LoRa. The motion is totally controlled through the prompt. It exactly follows the prompt. The prompt basically says, "Woman sitting on a rooftop at dusk, a giant Godzilla-like creature emerges. A man rushes in from the side and hands her a rocket launcher. The woman as she rises and takes aim. She fires the rocket. Rocket impacts the creature's face. Massive explosion." We'll talk about how to get these precise prompts later in the video, but for now, let's focus on how to achieve that cinematic real-time speed, and not the slow motion effect we usually get when using 4-step LoRa. This is done with the node Painter i2v from Prince Painter. This node replaces the WAN image to video node. I'll be using the Painter i2v node instead, since it includes an extra option called motion amplitude. I'm using the default value of 0.15, the maximum you can push it to is 0.30, but honestly, the default is good enough. You can install it through the manager by searching for Painter i2v. First, let's talk about Painter i2v, why we need it, and what it actually does. Painter i2v is the node that specifically fixes the slow motion issue you get with 4-step LoRa. When you use the 4-step method for speed, the motion ends up looking like it's stuck in syrup, but with Painter i2v you get back the real-time motion speed while still using 4-step LoRa. You can see the comparison in the example videos. In the war scene in the desert, look at the horse and the running speed at the top. That's the normal WAN generation, and it's stuck in slow motion. The bottom one is Painter i2v, with real-time motion and speed. In the martial arts training clip, the left side is the WAN LoRa version, which is slow. The right side is faster and moves at proper speed. Now check the running scene on the left. The top one is slow motion again. The bottom one looks correct with real-time speed, and it covers a lot more distance. The boat rowing scene shows the same result. The bottom clip looks much closer to an actual video, so what Painter i2v does is bring back real-time motion, even while using the 4-step LoRa. Now that we've fixed the speed, let's talk about prompt obedience, or prompt adherence. We get that from this new fine-tuned enhanced model. Here's what it does. It's merged with the 4-step lightning LoRa, so we keep the 4-step speed, and we also get the strong camera prompting back. You can see the list of camera prompts available, and all the technical camera controls are working again. On top of that, you can direct the video by time. At 0 seconds, you can give one prompt. At 1 second, you can give one prompt. At 1 second, you can make it do a new action, and so on for every second. Just like in the example video, Godzilla rising, the man handing the rocket, the woman firing it, and the explosion on Godzilla's face. All of it is precise, second-by-second prompt control. Now let's take a look at another example. The man walks in and punches her. She hits him back and kicks him down to the floor. This whole sequence was prompted and directed second by second to keep the action flowing correctly. Even the part where the prompt says, "The camera cuts to a wide shot" came out perfectly. The transition from the interior to the exterior scene is clean, like the model actually understands editing. The prompt adherence is ridiculous in the best way. I'm sticking with this model for a while too. This is Kling and Hailu AI for free offline. Or is it even better? You decide that. Combined with this new model and the Painter i2v node, this is the best workflow for WAN 2.2 in my opinion. In the next video, I might integrate the Painter Extend node to make longer videos with consistent context and smooth merges without those jarring, obvious transition cuts. This is all for today. Thank you, and a special thank you to all my Patreon supporters. I'll be updating the workflow and optimizing it before I upload and share it.